In this video, I'll show you how you can earn $100 a day with cryptocurrencies in a clear, simple, and easy to replicate way. And it all starts now. Imagine being able to generate daily income from the comfort of your home. And the best part? Using a method that is working for thousands of people around the world. How? Well, stay until the end, because not only will I give you the concrete steps, but I'll also reveal the key that few are sharing so you can start today. First, let me tell you that this is not a magic trick, but if you follow the steps I'm going to show you and apply a simple strategy, you can start generating those $100 a day that you're looking for. So let's start with the first method. It's called day trading. This strategy involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within the same day to take advantage of price fluctuations. Now, you don't need to be an expert to do this. There are platforms like Binance, KuCoin, or Kraken that allow you to start with small amounts. And the best part is, these platforms have tools like real-time charts to help you analyze trends. Don't worry if you don't have experience. In a moment, I'll explain how to identify when to buy and when to sell. To hit that $100 a day, here's the key. Focus on cryptocurrencies with high volatility, meaning those that have big price swings during the day. Examples of this are cryptos like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and smaller cryptos like Shiba Inu, SHIB, or Pepe Coin. These cryptocurrencies have wild movements, which lets you get in and out quickly with small profits. The trick is to buy when the price is low and sell when it rises just 1 to 2%. That small margin, repeated multiple times a day, can add up to $100 or more. Later on, I'll give you concrete examples of how to do this. But first, let's talk about the second method you can combine to reach this goal. The second method is staking. This is one of the most passive ways to make money with crypto. Basically, you put your cryptocurrencies to work. Instead of just holding them in your wallet, you lock them in a platform that pays you a percentage of interest. Some examples are Binance staking or decentralized platforms like Aave or Compound. Staking can generate daily income consistently. Imagine earning 5% or even up to 20% annually just for holding your cryptos and staking. Of course, this method alone may not give you $100 a day, but combined with the trading I mentioned before, it can get you very close to that goal. And now for the most exciting part, the third strategy is using crypto lending platforms. Did you know you can lend your cryptos to others and earn interest? There are platforms like BlockFi or Nexo that allow you to do this safely, and they pay you daily interest. For example, you could lend your cryptos at 10% annually, which means you'd get constant payments from the loan. And since it's passive income, you can keep trading or staking while your loans generate money for you automatically. See? With these three strategies together, trading, staking, and lending, it's completely feasible to earn those $100 a day. Now let's take a quick pause. If you're already seeing the potential of these strategies, I invite you to subscribe right now so you don't miss the next video, where I'll reveal the 5 most promising cryptocurrencies for 2025. Trust me, this spoiler is going to interest you a lot if you want to stay ahead of the market. So click subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's keep going. Now I want to show you a concrete example of how you could do this. Imagine you have $1,000 to invest. You could allocate $700 to day trading, $200 to staking, and $100 to crypto lending. If you do good analysis and achieve just a 1% gain in your daily trading, you'd be making $7 a day just from that portion. Then staking and lending give you consistent passive income. And here's the trick. By repeating this process consistently and reinvesting your earnings, you can increase your income exponentially over time. There are people who, with just a couple of hours a day, manage to reach that goal of $100 a day. But of course, like everything in crypto, there are risks. And this is where the most important part comes in. You always need to have a risk management strategy. You can't invest everything in one coin or one method. Diversification is key to not losing everything on a bad day. And something many people forget is setting stop losses. These are automatic limits that protect you if the price drops too much. For example, if you buy Bitcoin at $30,000 and set a stop loss at $29,500, if the price drops, it sells automatically, avoiding major losses. This is essential if you're aiming for day trading. Now we've reached the key moment. Remember I promised you the key that few share? Well, here it is. What will really help you consistently earn those $100 a day is trend analysis. It's not just about buying and selling randomly, it's about analyzing market patterns. I recommend using tools like TradingView, which shows you charts and patterns that predict cryptocurrency rises and falls. Many people just follow the advice of others, but if you learn to read these charts, you'll have the real advantage. At the end of this video, I'll show you how you can start using TradingView for free. And for those who stayed until now, a bonus. Did you know you can also combine airdrops and exchange rewards to increase your daily earnings? Many platforms offer rewards just for signing up or holding a minimum balance. In my experience, this is a method many overlook, but if you apply it, you could be making an extra $10 a day without doing anything just by taking advantage of platform offers. Combining this with trading, staking, and lending, you're on your way to reaching those $100 a day much faster than you thought. Before we go, don't forget to check out the next video where we'll talk about the 5 cryptocurrencies you can't ignore for 2025. It's one of the most important videos to keep scaling your crypto profits. Click on the end screen card now, and I'll see you in the next video.